I share a profound bond with GWM. I started out just as an off-road enthusiast. It was GWM that paved my way into competitive motorsport. Through this co-creation model, it gives more grassroots and amateur drivers the opportunity to step onto the international stage.
GWM provides top-tier logistical support, guaranteed spare parts, equipment backup, and technical backing. It's an incredible setup.
I won 14 championship titles in a single year. GWM's co-creation model lowers the barrier for anyone with a passion for racing. I'm originally from Heilongjiang, but I frequently race out here in Xinjiang. Every trip to Xinjiang spans about 5,000 kilometers. I always drive all the way from home by myself, behind the wheel of my GWM vehicle. I've driven to Mohe in the far north, all the way down to Guangzhou in the south. I've basically driven across the entire country. I guess that's what pure passion looks like. In 2023, I bought my first GWM Tank 300. I took it straight to my first rally and walked away with a double championship. This GWM Tank 300 owner from Suihua rules all. After that, I bought a GWM POER. And again, I brought home 14 championships in 1 year. We dominated the China-Russia International Rally 2 years running. The chassis of the GWM vehicle is exceptionally robust, with all the high-speed jumps and hard landings during a rally. The chassis has never given me a single issue. To this day, the vehicles I drive have never snapped a single axle shaft. It is very durable.
Racing under the GWM banner, the pressure on us is significantly reduced. Whenever an issue arises, we can immediately contact the OEM factory mechanics. They are always on site instantly to fix it.
When you race as an independent racer, logistics and spare parts can't keep up. In cross-country rallies, by the 5th or 6th stage, it's no longer just a battle between drivers. It's a war of logistics and the efficiency of parts supply. That's why the co-creation program and GWM's direct supply chain are what secure us such excellent results. The future of Chinese motorsport relies on younger drivers. GWM is now co-creating teams and supplying parts across the field, attracting a fresh wave of young talent into the sport. This is a massive step forward for the industry. I truly hope that Chinese motorsport will continue to thrive and reach new heights.
GWM. Go with more.